Welcome to Baldis Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
Education and Learning. If you haven't played, or if you haven't even heard of this game or played it, and you don't know why I'm calling it Steven,
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions. I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problem 2. 0. Great job. Good one. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. 2 minus 5. Great job. That's right. You're doing fantastic.
Okay, that's a little concerning. I hear every time. Oh, flip a damn dingo. I was gonna say shoot, so. Don't worry. Shoot, I think I'm gonna regain some energy. You can look behind me. No playtime.
I am coming, ready or no, here I come. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. People for all eternity.
Oh, shoot! Come on. I hate you.
Oh, no.
No. Okay, give me the bee soda. Give me the bee soda. Frick! Bee soda, bee soda, bee soda. This thing is like, this part is like...
Right.
Okay.
Ready, go! 1, 2,
Here's the time.
3, I have 4. I do. Well, let's play.
Shoot.
Let's play again.
No running in the halls.
Way to right here.
15 seconds. Detention for you. When will you learn?
Yeah, I'm dead. I can blast Bulby out of the room, but... Come here. Come here, boy. Let's go! Get destroyed, Baldy.
Let's play. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's play. Let's play again. Sometime soon.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
Oh, shoot!
No running in the halls.
Oh,
30
okay.
seconds. Detention for you. You should know better.
Yeah, that's right. I'm freaking dead. Wait. Yep. Yep. Let me get to a corner. Ah!
Welcome to Baldis Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
I remember I beat it one time, but we're headphones for the best experience. See.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. It's time for everybody's favorite. Great job! The good one. Problem 3. You got it. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. 3 plus. You're doing fantastic. Great job.
It kind of feels scary when there's like no music. My regen on energy. Look behind me. Was that Arts and Crafters? What was that?
I am coming, ready or door, here I come.
But he's not good on corners. Yeah, that's too quiet. Yeah, that's way too quiet. I have no idea what the boots are gonna do, but I'm still getting it. 0 minus 7, negative 7. 7 minus negative 3? Oh wait, no. 3. And just that. Oh yeah, I can hear it. Principal, you scared me. Yo, hello, Bobby. Having a nice trip or going out of school with the soda pop I see. Oh, and perfect timing.
Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's great. Let's play again sometime soon.
Since playtime is running in the halls, it would be perfect if playtime.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
Boots do.
Gotta sweep, sweep,
Oh,
sweep.
shoot.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
What do those do? Do they like make principal disappear?
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Shoot, no, I'm not gonna be able to do that.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Oh my gosh, run. Just run.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Honestly, I can't run forever. Let me just... Quarter.
No running in the hall.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, I'm not running in the halls. I'm not running in the halls, principal.
15 seconds. Detention for
I'm
you.
dead.
You should know better.
I should use the slap. And what the frick was that? Oh, I break the ankles. Oh!
Let go!
Thank you,
Oh, no.
Use. Let's go! Oh my god. Good. Oh, let's take a breather real quick. Woo! Let's go. 1-on-1. Baldy. Looking more like a pinhead. Or looking more like a... Shoot. Shoot.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, 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 sweep.
It's sweep, sweep,
Gotta
sweep.
sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
As long as I don't hear Baldy say, or as long as I don't hear Principal say, no running in the halls, then I'm good. Or like, no running in the halls. As long as I don't hear Principal speaking, that's good. Whistling doesn't count though, because this whistling isn't even speaking. But I think there's a bee soda in the cafe. But like I said, the items are randomly generated. So maybe not. Playtime during the day. So they might take a breather.
I see you,
Oh,
friend. Oh,
good.
no.
Okay, you heal. Okay, I'm back here. Crud, if I don't die one more time, then that's gonna be the best. I can't believe it that... Wait a second. Oh, shoot. Just run. I just gotta... Run. Okay.
I see you,
Let's play.
friend.
Go. 1, 2.
Okay, end of this video. Bye-bye.